Hi everyone! Welcome to Learning with Kiddos. Are you ready for a fun color match adventure? Our first challenge is the color red. Can you find the popsicle sticks that match the red cup? Red. Great job, kiddos! You have matched the red popsicle sticks with the red cup perfectly. Next, we have the color orange. Can you find the orange popsicle sticks and place them in the orange cup? Orange. Good job, everyone! The orange popsicle sticks are all in the orange cup. Now let's move on to the yellow popsicle sticks. Let's find them and match them to the yellow cup. Yellow. Got it! The yellow popsicle sticks go in the yellow cup. Now it's time for the green popsicle sticks. Let's find them and put them in the green cup. Green. Excellent job, kiddos! The green popsicle sticks fit perfectly in the green cup. Next up, we'll work with the blue popsicle sticks. Let's find them and put them in the blue cup. Blue. You guys are awesome! We have all the blue popsicle sticks in the blue cup. Okay, kiddos, let's continue the fun with our purple popsicle sticks. Can you find them and put them in the purple cup? Purple. Good job, everyone! All the purple popsicle sticks are now in the purple cup. You did it, kiddos! Give yourselves a big cheer and high fives all around. You matched all the sticks with their cups like a true champion. Thank you for watching, my awesome friends! If you had a blast matching colors with us, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our fun adventures together. See you next time on Learning with Kiddos.